Is that a bird? Where are the birds? I hear birds. There's a bunch of birds. Where are the birds? Oh, there's one. Can you see it? Oh, he flew away. Anyway. I think he was about up there. There's some more birds. There's hardly any birds around here. Can't see any. Wow. There's no birds. Wonder where they are. Oh, there's a bird. And that's a leaf. Any more birds? Oh, a bird. Don't see any. Could be some in that tree. Probably. I hear a lot of birds. But where are they? Oh, there's one. There's some birds. I hear like a noisy one. They're like teasing me. Whenever I record them, they just aren't here. Cooper! Oh my god. Oh, great. Dogs. Okay, dogs. Dogs. Okay, well it looks like the dogs are barking and it looks like no birds are going to get close to us now. Come on guys, just stop barking. Where are the birds, dude? Yeah, I see you, dog. Oh, it's later. Where? The bird. Oh my god, that is way too bright. Okay. Yeah, still don't see any birds. Well, maybe we should check the other side. Are there any birds over here? Don't see any birds, but I hear way more. There could be some birds. Oh, I hear a cockatoo. Like you always hear cockatoos over here. You always do. This is a big forest. I think someone lives in that forest. For some reason. They have fences. Oh wait, there's someone's house over there. Yeah, it looks like someone's house is over there. Oh wait, I saw a bed. There could be some up there. Any? Are there? Need to look for some. I don't see any birds. Are they naturally? Zoom in. No, I don't see any, but let's just keep it zoomed in. See if I see any. Oh yeah, this is probably gonna help a lot. No, I forgot. Like this tree. Here's something. Are there any kookaburras? No, I I don't see any. Is that something? I don't think so. Oh, this is weird. It's actually quite weird. Oh, why is it so bright then? All the way up there. Look at the sky. Yeah, I think that's all. Wait, any birds over there? That was where I was looking before, dude. Still see that person's house. Like, yeah, there. But where are the birds? Okay, well, don't think we see any birds today. Okay. Check back tomorrow, guys.